Well, welcome to the interactive session on the biochemistry course. I hope you enjoyed the course. So how did you like the course?
It was a very interactive course and we were all benefited by all your videos.
Okay, very good. So what we're going to do today is we're going to answer some basic questions that you might have regarding the course, and I have both my TAs beside me regarding any questions that you have about the assignment or the final exam that is going to be held on the subsequent weeks. Okay, so we'll continue with this and then you can start asking questions.
Ma'am, which kind of question pattern can we expect for the examination?
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So for your exam, you need to answer more or less. It will be objective type. Fine. So the way we all had done this assignments, fine. In the same way, your answer will be like this. And about the question paper, I can just give a small hint that there will be always 4 options. Fine, MCQ.
Yes.
And you have to select only one answer. There are no multiple choice. I mean, there are no more than 2 options. Fine. And more or less your marks distribution will be 1, 2 or something like that.
And there will be no negative marking.
No negative
No,
marking.
there is no negative marking. They are all multiple choice type with a single answer that is correct. Okay, you will have some match the following type and general questions similar to the ones you had in the assignments.
So we are expecting everything should be as similar to the assignments only.
Yes, yes.
Okay, there may be something like match the following or something. There may be some diagrams like this. Okay, so the answers would be like multiple choice only. In your assignments, there were no such diagrams. Okay.
In your assignments, you just had questions followed by ABCD. Here you may have a diagram associated with a question and then you have to answer the question based on the diagram.
Okay. So
Okay, it's all based on whatever has been taught in the course. It's nothing outside the course. Oh,
Hello, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I was not able to register the examination for the examination. So is there any solution?
What you will have to do is you will have to contact the NPTEL office. I cannot tell you anything about that. Since registration is now closed, you would have to speak to the NPTEL office and see what can be done because there isn't much time left.
I was already sent a mail to the office.
Okay, we'll check that then. Because I'm not sure about those details regarding the registration for the exam or otherwise. We are just concerned with the course content. Which year are you in? Which year students are you?
I'm second and third year.
Second and third year of which departments?
Food technology and biotechnology and chemical engineering.
Okay. Any other thing you would like to know? Yes.
Ma'am, how many total questions will be there and what will be the full marks of the examination?
The full marks is 100.
60.
And there will be 60 questions.
And what is the basic score we need to achieve?
There is no such basic score. I mean, you need to answer, like you have to spend 2 hours out there. Fine. So you need to answer as much as possible.
What would you consider to be a good score out of 100? So try and achieve that.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, don't worry about the score. The questions from your summary from your assignment would be, the course which you have studied so far, the questions would come from there only. No need to worry about that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in mark
How
sheet, how
will
will
the
it be
assignment
graded?
scores be evaluated along with the overall score for the exam, with the exam?
Yes, there will be a weightage from the assignments that you have done and a weightage from the final exam.
Maximum.
70% from your exam and 30% from your assignments. That will contribute to the total 100 that you have.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in mark sheet, how will we be graded?
I just told you that 30% from your assignments and 70% from the final exam, which is out of 100, and there are 60 questions in the exam.
What is the grading pattern? Like in grades, we will be graded, or in the marks basis?
We will give you marks and then we will send the marks to the NPTEL office, and depending upon how the courses are done, usually it will be done accordingly, either grades or marks. I'm not very sure about that.
In the whole syllabus, which are the chapters or portions we need to concentrate upon?
Well, we've covered practically everything that has been done, okay, starting from your amino acid types, then the protein structure, enzymes, and vitamins, coenzymes, carbohydrates, metabolism. The whole course practically has been covered. So if you've gone through the course, like we've paced the course very slowly, right? You had 2 lectures a week and an assignment. So the course pacing has been very slow. So if you have just gone through all of this, it should be fine. And just there's even some questions from your assignment. So if you have paced it correctly and gone through it regularly, you should not have any problem at all.
Ma'am, we are done with our questions.
You're done with your questions? Okay. What about someone in the front? They were talking. You don't have anything to say? Okay, then it's fine. Well, thank you. And if you have any questions, you can send a mail to the forum and the TAs will answer your questions. Is that okay? Okay, then all the best for the exam.
Ma'am.